Quick research summary. Product, Krikey AI is an AI-powered 3D animation platform. Core capabilities: it allows users to convert text prompts or video files into realistic custom 3D avatars, facial expressions, and character motions for videos or gaming. Key features: includes an AI animation maker, AI cartoon generator, skeleton meme generator, K-pop idol creator, anime AI generator, and customizable avatars. Pricing or access: offers a Get Krikey free option to start. Review status: official third-party user reviews are currently limited in our database, meaning we cannot provide widespread public consensus on pros and cons, but the tool's feature set shows high accessibility for beginners. So, how does it actually work? Krikey AI features an intuitive AI animation maker. The coolest part is the video to animation tool. You simply upload a video of yourself or someone else moving, and the AI tracks the motion and applies it directly to a 3D avatar. They also have specialized tools like an AI cartoon generator, an anime AI generator, a K-pop idol creator, and even a skeleton meme generator. You can customize the avatars, tweak their expressions, and export the motion for your projects. Now, let's talk about what to expect. Because this technology is evolving so rapidly, official public user reviews for Krikey AI are currently quite limited in our tracking. However, looking at the platform, the clear pros are its accessibility. You can get started for free, and you don't need a powerful computer or technical animation skills. On the flip side, as with most video-to-motion AI tools, highly complex movements or poor lighting in your source video might require some extra fine-tuning to get the animation looking perfectly smooth. Overall, if you want a fast, fun, and highly accessible way to jump into 3D animation, Krikey AI is absolutely worth experimenting with. Head over to Krikey.ai to try out their free tools and see what you can create. Have you tried turning your videos into 3D animations yet? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more easy AI tutorials, and we'll see you in the next one.